Hey gems, it's Cindyrella OG and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are going to be starting off our maintenance routine vlog, I guess. Vlog with a twist with our workout routine. So you guys have seen my workout videos in the past, so you know typically exactly what I usually do. So right now I am doing my ever so lovely elliptical, and then I'm going to follow into cardio with the bike. And I've been working out on the bike lately with the help of Equinox Plus app, and specifically the Soul Cycle at Home. There are so many live and on-demand classes to choose from. I can filter by my favorite music genre, instructor, or class length and ride to my schedule. There's also a free ride mode that allows me to ride to my favorite TV shows on Netflix or Disney Plus, or I can ride to my own beat with my freestyle mode. And are you guys ready for the best part? You can get your own Soul Cycle at home bike in 1 to 3 weeks, guaranteed. And with financing options available, you can get the bike on your terms. Get your Soul Cycle at home bike today by visiting mysoulcyclebike.com/Cindyrella and use promo code Cindyrella to get a complimentary pair of at-home select cycling shoes with your purchase. That's mysoulcyclebike.com/Cindyrella and promo code Cindyrella to get a complimentary pair of cycling shoes with the purchase of your Soul Cycle at home bike. Again, that's mysoulcyclebike.com/Cindyrella and promo code Cindyrella. So now it is time to go ahead and get some real maintenance done, starting off with our laser hair removal. So I currently go to Sev Laser in Houston to get my laser hair removal, my little bits and pieces on my body, specifically my Brazilian area and my armpits. So it's really clean there. They make you wash your hands before you go back. And they pretty much tell you everything that needs to be done there, and it's a quick and easy 10-minute process. I know that I'm in and out whenever I am at Sev Laser. Hi.
Not pregnant.
I am not.
No sun exposure, tanning bed, tanning lotion the past 2 weeks.
No.
No antibiotics, aspirin, blood thinners, iron supplements, or retin-A.
No. Sorry. For your fault. So following that, we are going to go ahead and get our body sculpting done. So I found a new plug for the body sculpting. She knows exactly what she's doing and she caters to all types of body types. And I felt like I was really getting results with her massaging and also the different techniques that I haven't really seen on other body sculpting experiences as well. So she also got me in with the detox and everything was good to go. It was a really nice experience. And I went ahead and ate for a late lunch some salada. Now, the salada that I got did have a little bit of croutons, and I used Caesar salad dressing, but it honestly was everything that I wanted. So thank you to Equinox for sponsoring this video, and all of the information on any of the things that I talked about will be in the description box down below. Go ahead and like this video if you liked it, comment down below what you liked about it, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed to beautiful gems. Smooches.